Hello, welcome. I'm looking at my British Universal Carrier Mk.II. It's from the European campaign. I've seen a few of these on documentaries, so it'd be interesting to see what it's like. The Tamiya tracks are the rubber ones. The actual assembly instructions are what Tamiya normally use. Explains a bit about the vehicle, so it's got a bit of information. I'm just about to open the bags and see what it's like inside. The kit comes with 3 figures for the European campaign as showed on the box art, and you get 2 figures if you want to do the North Africa, so they're slightly different. Shows you the painting guide for the European and the North African campaign. Parts are quite detailed. I'm not sure how old the kit is. If anybody knows, it'd be nice in the comments to let me know. It's not too bad. There's not that many parts to the kit. Get some nice decals. So it depends which one you're doing, the European or North Africa. Just the detail of where the decals go, and for the painting. It's got for Europe, it was a dark green, and for the African front, dark yellow. They also supply, which I found strange, a piece of string for the tow cable. I often use just some very thin twisted wire. So this is for the tow cable, then you just wrap it round. So overall it's not too bad, but it would be interesting to hear if anybody has made this one. And you get a few of the weapons. A lot of them you don't use, and I normally keep them as spares for other things I'm making. And all the ammo boxes. So it looks like quite a nice kit. Quite a simple one to go together, I hope. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope to have it built very soon. Thank you.